Welcome back to Auto Review's Garage, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting machines the automotive world has to offer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Nuova Fiat Argo Sports, a compact hatchback that's quietly redefining what it means to be stylish, smart, and efficient in a city car. First impressions: the 2026 Argo makes a statement before it even starts moving. With its refreshed, sharper front fascia, the redesigned LED headlights, and a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile, Fiat has clearly put a lot of thought into modernizing its look without sacrificing its iconic charm. The updated grille and new wheel designs give it a premium edge, and it now looks far more upscale than you'd expect in this segment. Under the hood, the Argo continues to offer a range of efficient engines, but what's new in 2026 is the addition of Fiat's latest mild hybrid technology. The 1.0-liter Firefly engine paired with a 12V BSG system brings better fuel economy and a smoother city driving experience. It's not built for speed demons, but that's not its goal. This is a car meant to conquer traffic, not racetracks, and it does that beautifully. Inside, the upgrades are even more noticeable. Fiat has really stepped up its game with soft-touch materials, an intuitive layout, and more tech than ever before. The highlight is the new 10.25-inch infotainment system, now standard in the upper trims, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch and offers great customization for the driver. Practicality hasn't been forgotten. You get ample storage spaces, a surprisingly roomy back seat for a hatchback of this size, and a decently sized trunk that will easily handle your daily errands or weekend getaways. Fiat has also improved its safety suite. Automatic emergency, braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are now available, making it one of the safest small cars on the road. Driving the 2026 Argo is a pleasure. Light steering, tight turning radius, and a suspension setup that absorbs city bumps with ease. It all makes for a comfortable, hassle-free commute. It's agile, quiet, and surprisingly refined for a car in this price range. So who is the Nuova Fiat Argo for? It's perfect for city dwellers, first-time car buyers, or anyone who wants a stylish, efficient, and well-equipped compact hatchback without breaking the bank. Fiat has taken everything people loved about the Argo and made it better. That's it for today's review from Auto Review's Garage. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you pick the new Argo over something like the VW Polo or the Toyota Yaris? Thanks for watching.